Good afternoon to those who listen. It's May 15, 2019, 4:24 p.m. And it keeps shutting my computer down. It gets too hot. Lots of chemtrails, but now the trails have already started to fade. We had a chemtrail that went across this way, which is like very rare. We're always, this way. And it's probably gonna overheat again. This time it feels good for the moment. I see rose petals, I see blue beams, I see blue around it, and now where's the chemtrails? Not there no more. Fresh ones, that is. We had X's. See if we can see the lens. There's the lens. There's the lens. Stretch test with the lens. Check in. Now it's burning up. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Sorry I missed the chemtrails. God bless.